Hello, today we'll go over how to view notes in a work order using AiM. First, we need to open a work order. There are a few ways to do this. You can type the work order number in the work order search box located on your Workdesk homepage, or you can open a personal query list and click on the work order number. For this tutorial, we will open the personal query list for open work orders. On the AiM Workdesk homepage, click the Open Work Order query located under Personal Query Count. From here, you can see a list of open work orders. If a work order has notes, there will be a little box symbol next to the work order number. Click the blue work order number to open it. To confirm if there are notes, look at the Notes log located under View on the left side of the screen. If Notes log is highlighted blue, there are notes on the work order. Click on Notes log to view the notes. Here you will see all of the notes that was written on the work order. You can see the date the note was entered, who created the note, and the note details. When you are finished viewing the notes, click the Done button located on the top left corner. Notes can also appear in the different phases or steps written within a work order. You can confirm if there are notes on the phase by checking the phase section and finding the box icon located next to the phase number. Click on the blue phase number to open the phase. From here, you can open the phase notes by clicking the blue highlighted notes log located under View. You can again see the note details, entry date, and who created the note. When you're done viewing, select the Done button in the top left corner of the screen. You can select the back button to return to the work order details, or if you're completely finished, you can select the AiM button on the top left corner of the screen to return to your work desk.